I think I grabbed the S or something. Because I was holding E to pick something up.
Why are you bitches after me?
Bitches attract to bitches. What'd you expect?
Their companions were fighting them, and now they all run to me.
Yeah, they do
Why
that.
like I said, bitches like bitches.
Why? Yeah, can you change your shit, please?
There is a bunker over there.
Why am I getting tier 1 essence here? What is this? What is this place?
You look like you wrapped your head into seaweed.
Maybe that's why he's hitting you.
Well, I just can't see for shit.
Because you
Smells
made
like
me
fish.
let me make my own shit.
I mean, yeah.
Fuck you, there's no
Why
fish
would I
shipping up with
stop you
foul
from?
fish.
Why would I stop you from making your own stuff?
You want to talk about fish? How about the only female I'm stuck with in the desert?
I was gonna make a joke, but then I
Yeah.
forgot who your ally's name was. Lee.
Yep.
Damn, where's
Why
that sun
was
giant
cat
when you need
scream?
him? Where's that sun giant when you need him?
Right?
He fucking catapults you to the moon.
That would be nice.
Like
I
the
just-
moon rock.
Moron. Not my sort of do it.
Ooh, what's this? Sapphires.
Damn. I don't like that noise. I'm getting the higher ground.
That's fine. They're probably down here. That gold. Backpack is full, so I don't know.
Character. Dumbest idiot.
Extract that, extract that. Ah, someone took my ore. Bastards.
My bad.
What was it? I was mining that for curiosity. Okay, it is gold. What was the other one?
Ah, essence.
You trapped that and dropped that.
It was titanium.
Why is it just standing here?
It was gold and
Good.
titanium.
Because it's mine.
Alright, take it. I'm just extracting it. Is this thing bugged?
Is what bugged.
Okay, no, it's not. I thought it
No,
was going away.
There's just a cluster like 4 of them in there.
I thought it was an infinite one.
I gotta get one of the meat, sure.
Oh, hey, there's another entrance.
Okay.
Oh, huh. Gallon.
Oh, a vault raid.
Oh, fuck.
Cool.
Get him, Aaron. Kill him for me.
Good with that. I gotta extract some stuff.
Not our heart rate.
Oh, can it do? Let's see. I'll take it back. Give you this. Actually, it's wherever. Yeah, whatever.
Oh no, it's again, bitch.
Banzai! I say banzai. We banzai. He kicked me into the portal. I was kicking his butt too hard. Aren't they supposed to be guarding the portals? I don't know. He's like, nah, you're doing too much damage. Get in there.
That's
That's
50,000 per shot.
that was great. Well, I guess join me when you can.
Oh, I ditched. Fuck that.
Just jump through the portal. I can't believe he kicked me into the portal.
Let's get out of here. Alright, bitch.
Oh, it's a fabled hunt. Huh. Nice, it's a fable. Hello. Ah, tickle again.
Oh,
I have a cleaving hammer. It's good for groups. Got you. Oh, that actually did pretty good damage. Etched copper ingots, sure. Some of this garbage. That's good, but I'm basically never gonna need to make another pickaxe. 110 again. Okay, that should be good for the inventory. Remember to keep an eye out for cracked walls. Oh, well, it looks like you found one already. Oh, hey, a rest area. Let's actually rest, because my buff is gone, so I'm assuming your guys' is too.
you assume we had any buffs in the first place.
Well, the
Fucking
resting
bam.
buff.
Lucius trying to steal your shit. I mean, Juliet.
Alright, y'all ready?
I'm coming.
Come on, Chris. We all need to snuggle up. There's only one bedroll.
I was going to die.
I called dibs on cuddling with Chris.
Oh, there he is.
Like, no, Chris, your pet Scorpion can't join.
That ain't my pet. I'm
Fucking nice.
Shotgun.
Anyway, yeah.
God, wait.
Knocked down our tree. Hey.
Dude, this fucker does damage. Hit him.
Yeah, he also does poison.
Wow, do that guy.
All right. Now come on.
Chris gets the foot of the bed, Cass gets the nuts of the bed, Cannon gets the chest of the bed.
Danny goes under there.
I get what of the bed?
Under.
Better than having the nutsack of the bed.
Danny just gets squished to death.
Yeah, it'd take a lot more than on you, Chris, Camden. It'd take a lot more than 300 pounds to kill me.
Wait, why is that only 300? Sure, it's more than that.
Bro, I
Yeah.
weigh 300 pounds.
Yeah, Danny's dead.
Okay, Kaz is like 119. You're 3, that's 4. Yeah, I'm still fine.
I'm 124.
Okay. Mr. Fat Bug.
Dude, these traps need a tail to them, man.
Yeah, I could swear they used to have a little red aura where they were. But
They have a
don't
little
anymore.
red square, but it's nearly invisible, and you only see it when you're right up next to it.
Okay, over here.
It's bullshit.
The goal is. I didn't see any cracked walls here. No. Oh, them cosmetic tokens.
Is that what those are?
The transmogrify tokens or whatever.
I didn't know what the hell they were. I just
Yeah.
kept collecting them.
You can change the look of your items with a special table.
So I just started collecting them.
So
I mean,
if
it's
I wanted
shiny,
to run
so-
around looking like someone from the SS, I can look like that, right?
I mean, have you collected any outfits that look like that?
No, not yet.
Then no.
What if I wanted to look like Santa Claus?
I mean, if you find an outfit that looks like it,
Maybe a Christmas event coming up.
yeah, maybe.
That giant purple rock.
Something you can't find.
Arium. It's 8% melee damage. And I am stuck. Not really. It's...
Hey, I got a grenade that'll help you.
Why does your character just randomly refuse to climb things? Bit annoying. Wait. We somehow ended up back at spawn.
Where are we going?
Oh, right, the teleporter takes you to spawn. Never mind. We could go do a Bastille of Might.
Dude, what the fuck, Danny? Danny's bugged out.
Oh, what the hell?
What the heck, dude?
That's weird. That's weird.
Floating pit, dude.
Danny, go into
Hold on.
third person mode with F5.
Yeah.
Oh, turned away. Alright, hold still. I'm gonna take a picture and send it to you.
They'll see my body.
You don't see your body.
No, I see my body.
Alright.
Lock me out of it.
Oh. Climb, Danny, climb. Oh, that's not you. Well, I mean, I didn't think it was Danny this time. I thought it was Chris.
No, I knew to climb.
No, there was one of the rifle guys. He wasn't attacking me, just running alongside me, so I thought it was you.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't want to see that ever again.
See what?
I come in here, I look down, I see Chris's teammate reloading his weapon, but it looks like he's rubbing his junk. Yeah, like 8 solid strokes.
Interesting.
Oh, if you're outside, you're probably gonna need to climb up top. Yeah, just go through the window.
Yeah, just stand right there, dude.
Next wave.
That's gas.
Yeah, great. Shield guy.
Two shield guys.
Just catch him on fire.
You should give up on this. Good, I wouldn't even know
Yeah, gonna be honest, I don't know what this guy's doing. Bye.
Ooh, we did not like that. Melee weapons don't do shit against
Got me in a corner.
Lock for your life.
Yeah, my stomach's Apparently, his attack power blocked my block of life.
We win.
You want me to risk my life for pizza? With
Yes.
pepperoni.
Son of a bitch.
Fucking love Double Artemis, man.
Yeah.
What the hell is that? Why you guys are sparking into the sun?
Who's sparking into the sun?
I looked up at you guys and you guys were shining very bright.
Excellent.
Okay then. actually curious. Things are usually not very worth it, but 6 rocks, 2 ore, 6 sticks. Does anyone have rocks, ore, or sticks?
50 essence.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
That's what I was curious about.
I had both.
Cool. Yeah, I was curious about that because these are always 50, but of course the tier 4 essence you get a lot less of. So yeah, these aids are actually really worth doing. It's a Bastille of Agility, huh? Where the heck are we gonna climb to in this thing? Oh, that's, gonna be honest, that's really lame. That's it. That's where we climb to? Okay. $50 essence from that, too. Feel like that was a massive payout for the effort. There's like 5 fabled hunts we're surrounded in right now. No idea which way to go. Oh, no. I got 500 tier 4 essence.
Sweet.
Probably actually start doing things now. Hello there.
466 essence.
Not bad. Let's see, what else do we even have? Alright, we have another aid there. We have an infestation there. We have a defense there, but defenses kind of suck. And I think that's all the events we have left. I guess
That's not on the map. What is that?
Use this room.
Hey, Camden.
Yeah,
Float on your umbrella real quick.
I am.
You see the handle?
Yeah.
That puck.
I think so.
I think puck's on the handle of my umbrella.
Mine is definitely not. Oh, right, you're using the other umbrella. Yeah, I'm using the Mystic umbrella.
Hmm. Let's see why people use cheats for their food items. They do not last for shit.
And wood bundles real quick. This
I'm gonna
work?
travel my wrist fit and be done for today.
Okay. I'll probably see about finishing it these last couple events.
I don't even know where to go. I think we gotta go to the watch to spin our tier 4 essence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when you buy stuff from there, are you buying like a
You're buying
blueprint or you?
recipes. Yeah.
Okay. I gotta figure out what outfit they sell that's better than what I got.
Probably everything
Yeah, where do we get these? I have many regrets.
Yes.
I should not have put this here. It's a great location, but I can't get out to reach the enemies.
You know you're in.
I'm doing a defense mission.
You look bitches to me. Are you at the fairy symbol or the top hat?
Top hat. Ah. It's no fair spawning the pumpkins while I'm in a mission.
Yes. How can you just you're level 100?
Yeah. Get ready.
Nice. Definitely keep this guy away.
$58 and 1,000. So the most ideal thing. Ah, there's more of these bitches.
Let's actually kill him first.
Or there's some ammo. You're giving me too many of this suckers. You know I'm not level 100 right again.
Go to that one desert with the gravity tab. Make a
Oh.
bed there and just sleep till nighttime and just wander around and they'll spawn on you like a motherfucker.
I tried. It didn't work.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I want to. The most ideal thing to get them. People are saying a low level area with the eternal night guard, whatever it's called.
They suck at the game because I don't need that card.
That's the fastest way to get it to 1,000.
Yeah, that being said, I'm pretty sure more spawn together in higher difficulties. Because a lot of them are spawning here.
Till tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm only going to focus on Finishing up my.
Oh, I didn't realize Chris was here. Hey, how's it going? Did you get the essence in that building over there?
That what? Maybe more do spawn. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. In that building right there, there's going to be essence.
All right. Good night.
Good night, buddy.
Night.
Go to bed. Because, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, he
yes.
said that a few minutes ago.
I thought he was going to bed in game or something.
I mean, we'd know if he was, because you can't destroy it. That's the quest objective. Oh. You can, but it doesn't do anything.
Fuck, I need to go back to my freaking realm and start putting my shit together.
Yep.
And
I kind of
start
want
doing
to
your
just
thing.
do these last two because we're almost done with the entire area. And once I close down this portal, I'm never opening it again. So, may as well squeeze all the essence we can out of this. Oh, my backpack's full.
Nope. I don't know if I did.
I thought that ladybug was going to attack me, but it didn't.
We simply gotta do.
The globe. It's half the distance away, so get it on the way to the other one. Alright. Had to free up some inventory space. I need to make some treasury eminent cards. I switched this one to a treasury card, and yeah, the essence increase is definitely noticeable.
Is the nighttime already over? See if
I
we
mean, I still see the stars, so
I don't see any of the pumpkin.
there they are.
Oh shit. Yeah, you can see.
You had to say something, didn't you? I mean, I'm happy about it too. I want all this pumpkin spice.
I want that pumpkin in it, dude.
Fair enough.
You can transmog that shit. No, fuck out. No, fuck you.
Okay, this one was an 8, I think. Yes, yes it is.
What is it new?
Helping build this guy a house.
Oh, that's
Ugh,
clear.
animal fiber and twine. This guy.
I don't know if I have any of that shit.
2 twine.
I guess I can go get some sticks.
Okay. Just one animal fiber? Yeah.
Yeah.
2 fires. Wow. This guy is greedy. He wants all the things.
Can I ask you, dude? Julius, where are you? I'm gonna take some of their egg off me.
Where are you?
Look what you did, Julius. Look what you did.
Shit.
Oh, it's dead.
Yep, fall back.
We had to get down. That thing really ran in the way of my attack. Going for the guy with the last half, huh? You're too smart to live. Really wish I had healing items.
Do you have recover on your weapon?
What?
Do you have recover the spell on your weapon?
No. I just
Oh.
got this weapon. It has nothing on it.
Ah, okay.
But I do want to put stuff on it, I just don't know how. Or if I even have what I need.
It's paper and tier 1 essence. I hope you have it.
What?
It's paper and tier 1 essence for recovery. Hope you have it. Okay.
What do we need for that guy? Yeah. I'm gonna have to wait.
Wants freaking 2 wires in a shaft. Why does he want so many freaking lamps? Alright, 6 rocks, 2 ore. I think Ethel's carrying those for me though. Most of the stuff is crafting. What the heck is that?
Where are you, pumpkin-headed bitchhead?
There you are. Let's see.
You've been halfway down.
Oh, she's not carrying stone. Huh. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, see this is close here. I'm running all this distance, not even a single one.
Ah, it's rocks, not stone. Dang it.
There you bitches are. Yeah, so that was a horde. 9 of them.
Why are you just demolishing the house, Chris?
Because he wants too much. Nah, yeah, I don't know.
Okay. Almost got everything, I think. Twine. Alright. 2 wires and a shaft.
Oh,
Yeah, that's fine.
crap. That one.
Alright. About 2 minutes, we'll have everything we need. Oops. Animal fiber. Well, good opportunity to do some inventory sorting. One more minute. Hello there.
Face down.
Nope. Waiting on things to cook. Need one more wire and one shaft. Shaft is gonna be done in like 40 seconds.
What needs to be built?
Just need a shaft, which is cooking. 30 more seconds. Ooh,
God damn it.
tier 4 you. This 8% ranged and melee. Did a lot of damage on my armor. Okay, it's done.
Sweet. This way, yeah. Been collecting your wood.
All that's left is one more infestation. Then the whole map is clear.
Crisp, yeah.
I don't know, is he the one running towards the infestation?
Did you collect your 50 tier 4 essence?
No, I did not. Oh well.
Banzai!
Well, my companion. I just watched my companion get his ass whooped.
I wonder where he went. There was one that ran off. Went to fight you on the other side of the hill.
118.
I don't know how many I've killed so far. How do you check?
You're like
120.
10.8% done.
Yep. About to get closer.
Oh, it counts the kill. Even.
Yeah, it would suck if it wasn't counted with parties. And I guess we
Okay.
can confirm right now.
Do you want to kill that one?
Alright, let's see.
It doesn't count it. That's okay. But
It says I
if I
killed
hit,
7 there. How much did you go up?
no, I didn't count that last one because I didn't hit that last one. So we probably
Oh.
all have to get hidden.
Also, I think Julius killed it.
Well, if he got it, then I should have got that kill.
Yep.
I'll just focus on getting a hit on it, each one.
I have a cleaning wall, so it's hard for me not to hit everything. I'll just try to smack everyone once and back off. Like I said, I mainly want the pumpkin spice.
What is this?
I don't know, but Aaron's dead.
A million demons attacking Chris. What the fuck?
This is the infestation. I got a bunch of pumpkin heads spawned on them too.
Dude, they demolished that fucking house.
They really did.
That was everything. There was a giant elephant over here.
Alright, well, I think that just about does it. Well, one more.
Right, elephants.
Hey, how you doing? Little shallow there. Back in. Surprisingly, I don't believe that this thing divides nations. But yeah, that should be it. We've cleared literally everything in this map. Oh, I guess there's two defenses over there, which, yeah, not worth doing.
Alrighty, well, I guess that does about does it for me then.
Alright. You heading to bed?
Yes, sir.
Oh, there's a tank here. But then just
One combo.
what the heck is
Huh.
this?
I'm gonna go check out the recipes at the watch. Oh. And apparently it's just instant. I don't have to wait for it to prepare. I guess that makes sense. This is kind of the hub. Like it's just always active.
Why does the nighttime last so long in this world?
Mm.
What you guys get?
No, I'm way teleported out of here. Oh, never mind.
Yep. I went to the watch.
Mm.
Can't extract things here. Yeah, it's fine. I shouldn't get too many items.
There they are.
Alright, guys. Well, I will be seeing you.
See ya.
I see tomorrow.
Mm.
Fucking hit.
Dr. Quatermain again. This game really needs voice acting.
Even if it's just AI voice.
But no point doing it now. Yeah.
What?
I'm just reading Quatermain. Seem to know the white
Everything to me was
Kenta.
to buy a new chair. I'd rather get a recliner or something than a stupid gaming chair.
Oh, cool. I know. Okay. Got here as much with little resource before it finally reached standstill. So much friggin' reading.
They could have even put Pulled in Oblivion using the same voice actor for most of the characters in the game.
Yeah, I really wouldn't mind it. That was really bad. There's so much, and it's all just reading. I wouldn't mind as much, except I have a fever. Rare upgrade, epic upgrade, and I have the excellent upgrade bench recipe. Nice, nice. Guess I should get the spell. Charms, what do we got? Not bad. The makeshift weapon. pickpocket. Ugh. Increases stealth but halves damage. That is shit. Also, I'm pretty sure this is just buying them. Breaks your equipped item and prevents death when you take a fatal hit. Interesting.
Interesting.
I don't like that the adventure and estate minor cards don't say anything. Also, I'm glad I didn't buy the Ascended Antiquarian cards because I just got given that recipe for free. I could buy a cat. Hell yeah. Don't care. It's seriously bugging me though that you can't get a backpack or a shirt at tier 4. Really annoying the hell out of me. Let's see.
Oh, tier 3 assets.
Okay. I have to travel to an Ascended Antiquarian realm.
Go ahead.
The next quest. I turned in the quest for finishing the vault. And I had to talk to a bunch of random nerds, and then the last nerd gave me another quest.
To find those 3 books.
What books?
No hollowed more.
Oh, I haven't gone to Hollandmore yet. Oh well. The store stuff.